your new Toyota Starlet Cross. Own it.
It is TV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is Times. We are here at Durban's Moses Mabhida Stadium, Mvangwe final, Gillette Bank Cup for the current season, 2024-2025. It was a repeat of the Soweto Derby in the Betway Premiership, labeled at the FNB Stadium last week. But Namhlanje, it was an all different ball game. Kaizer Chiefs came into this game as underdogs, as many will say, because the last time they won a trophy was way back 9 years ago, 11 months ago. But Namhlanje, they've corrected that, and what a sweet moment for them, beating their arch rivals Orlando Pirates, whom they haven't beaten in the last 5 derbies, but now it was the 6th derby, and Kaizer Chiefs made sure ukuthi izitsha zihlanjwa yi-Orlando Pirates namhlanje ngabo bazanxiba i-silver medalist, because this team has been used to ukuthi banxibe i-gold medal after each and every final, but now for the first time in I don't know how many years they are wearing i-silver medals. Bobo, you are here, you witness everything. Before starting umdlalo, Ndakubuza once again, was it a successful hate watch for you?
No, Shane. It's ngibulise Shane, ngibulise uTKJ. Shane. Ujulukile Shane. Angazi ukuthi uMart ukujulukisa kangaka. I don't know Shane. Uhlala uyi deputy Shane. Angeke ngifihle lokho. Today we deputy yeNetbank. We deputy yeBetway njengoba ngikutshelile last week. Shane, isibhamu siphethwe ihlanya today. Lokho kumele ukwazi Shane. uMashaka kumthethe 4 years ukuthi azobukela iKaizer Chiefs live. Kusho kona ukuthi kufika kwaMashaka today. Ngimtshelile before the game ngathi ngina that feeling yokuthi Shane uMashaka ukufika kwakhe namhlanje kungenza umehluko kuKaizer Chiefs. And ngiyabona ukuthi naye kuba khona kwakhe la uMashaka. Kuyakujulukisa Shane, uyayidinga something efana ne-savior chain ukuthi usulumjuluko into
wait before Luqhawule, are you saying, I wanted to repeat this thing, are you saying before umdlalo you told Mashaka ukuthi he is winning the Nedbank Cup?
Yeah, I told Mashaka ukuthi ngina that feeling ukuthi they can win the game. Since when ngimbona uMashaka ngasho ngathi Chiefs can win Nedbank Cup but Pirates can collect 6 points to Kaizer Chiefs. We understand. So what I'm trying to say coach ukuthi into engayisho nge-team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi idlale kahle for mina kakhulu namhlanje. Angithanda ukukhuluma ngama-decision wabo-ref, but what I can say, Chain, congratulations to Coach Nabe. Kuthethe i-Kaizer Chiefs almost 10 years to win a trophy. He was a bad coach isizini umayitala until ilanga laizolo, but today it's a hero. He's a hero of Kaizer Chiefs, Coach Nabe, because 9 coaches good 10 years without a trophy, but now Coach Nabe is here, we are winning trophy. Bazo shift amaplanka ku cabinet, bazo leta a trophy official today. It's good for Kaizer Chiefs. And in terms of kuma South African, please stop ukulogon busy landela nabalandeli be Kaizer Chiefs ngamakara nganawo number plate. Leave Kaizer Chiefs supporters to celebrate and enjoy themselves. It's been long Chain Chiefs ngathatha trophy. So niye kubasale move ngama kara ngama plate. Ngiyanicela ama supporter webhola wase South Africa. iChiefs winile, abantu aba celebrate be Kaizer Chiefs. So Shane ngicela ukuyivala lapho kancane Shane ngize gamini. Shane cishe first half igame ifuna ukudlala nje ngale game ye-league ye-derby, whereby sibona iKaizer Chiefs iya-dominate kancane ku the first.
Sorry, we have to apologize for that. We are at the FNB Stadium. It was a sold out, so you will have to understand that there are so many people who are so excited. There are so many people who are broken-hearted. But namhlanje, we are celebrating iKaizer Chiefs. We are celebrating their victory for the first time in 9 years, 11 months. So you're gonna have to forgive us. I don't know what's happening. The last time they were so excited, it was 9 years ago. So you will have to understand them. So congratulations to iKaizer Chiefs. But Bobo, we had to correct that. They are so excited. There's too much noise. Kaizer Chiefs has won a trophy for the first time in 9 years. Congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs.
There's nothing wrong, Shane, for iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi abalandeli baye ba celebrate. It's been long, wena Shane. Njengoba ngisho ngithi mina uyabona bathatha le trophy kuma defending champion. So kusho kona ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs Shane beyideserve ukuthi iwine le trophy njengoba ngikutshelile. So Shane ngisangena kule game ne. Uma ngibheka le first 15 minutes, iChiefs icishe idlala njengase FNP. Bayaqala bayadominate first 15 minutes, bakhona ukuthola igoli. After lapho iKaizer Chiefs abadlali beKaizer Chiefs behlisa umzimba. kwehlisa umzimba iPirates iyabuya ifuna ukudominate the likes of Tito Patrick Masongwane umdlalo engimbonayo Masongwane ukuthi uyabuya udlala leya number 10 njengoba simjwayele uyalidimanda ngaso sonke isikhathi kubadlala abafana noMbatha noMakhawule la khona ngibona uMakhawule adlale kahle kakhulu noMbatha Tito uyajoina ufuna ukudlalisa abadlali bagcina bayithola leya set piece engiyibonile la khona iChiefs ibe poor kuyi defender leya set piece ngakutshela Shane ngathi lama team afana neSundowns Chiefs Pirates bane problem Shane yokudefenda lawa ama set piece bheka lela bhola far pole la khona sibona unganasesi umdlalo ofana no bathu bani striker sakho number 17 athatha ibhola alivalela uMahupa alivalele neteam so Shane ngibone assistant coach weKaizer Chiefs kulela bhola he was shouting good defense eKaizer Chiefs to take bona guys ningabi flat footed he was giving them like even ama instruction ukuthi guys enzani 1 2 3 4 but abakhona ukwenza lokho bakwenze the time ibhola lifuna ukudlalwa and always bamile flat footed kumova ama opponent weOrlando Pirates so for me ngiyacabanga ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs inayo le problem yokudefender okay abanye abantu Shane igame yahamba yaqhubeka second half lasibona khona inhlanhla yeOrlando Pirates whereby iKaizer Chiefs kuya ngami ngibona ucele utholi injury abanye abantu bangathi ucoach umkhiphile ucele I think ucele kungala khona ngambona hlala phansi ngacaka ukuthi une injury uyabona okay bamdonsa ucele bekuyinhlanhla yeOrlando Pirates ukuphuma kwakacele la khona iOrlando Pirates kumele isebenzise lela thuba lokuphuma kwakacele baletha umdlalo ofana nobani noOx coach weOrlando Pirates la khona kumele ukuthi athathe igame ahamba yothola igoal number 2 wenzani udonsa umdlalo ofana noMakhawule enakaqala ukuyenza lento if ukhumbula kahle embombela waba nenhlanhla Shane ukuwina leya game against iSundowns ngizokusho lokho wadonsa uMakhawula washiya uMbatha nomdlalo ofana noDlamini kwaba ne hole in the middle of the park yeOrlando Pirates whereby umfukeng wathatha ibhola ngelast minute walivalele neteam sabona ukuthi Orlando Pirates yenze kahle but it was a mistake today uyenzile le mistake wenzani ucoach weKaizer Chiefs wathatha umdlalo ofana noMathi wampusha a little bit forward wadlala as a 8 wathatha uOx wahlala kuphi kuleya phambi kwaleya defense la khona sibona uMart aconnecta nalabadlali bebangakhona ukukwenza uSirino nabadlali abafana noLilepo ayikho understanding between aboLilepo naboSirino ubheka sometimes uthatha irun uSirino ulifaka kuphi opposite direction kusho kona ukuthi ayikho le understanding but ukufika kwaMart yila ngibone khona ukuthi okay kudlala kwaMart as a 8 udlalo walida as an example ulide by example as a captain uMart because siyambona la khona sha goal number 2 uyadeserve le man of the match umdlalo ofana noMart Chain because coach weKaizer Chiefs isebenzisile leya chance sibona umdlalo ofana uma letha umdlalo ofana lo Shaba aletha uDupreez ngila khona ngibona iChiefs icala ukuba bukhali uShaba ungenile umuntu wenza kahle kakhulu Shane angeke ukufihle lokho uma ungabheka ama box entries bekawayenza ama run bekawayenza behind the defense aloko aconnecta ajoina nalabo badlali wenze kahle kakhulu umdlali ofana noShabalala so give credit to coach Nabi ukuthi abe ne game plan ngale second half ukuthi abone ukuthi okay ucele njengoba alimele baletha uOx iPirates ilathi side ikhipha umdlalo ofana nobani noMakhawule that's a blunder wena Shane angeke ngikufihle lokho iPirates coach Orlando Pirates uassiste ucoach Nabe to beat Orlando Pirates ngifuna ukukusho lokho I'm not saying akayenzanga kahle ucoach Nabe ngicela ungunderstand kahle wenze kahle but umassistile ucoach Rivero that is why ngithi sometimes it's good to announce ukuthi coach uyahamba kusase early sometimes ngibona ngathi akukho right because nama decision awenzayo ila bekawenza before so for me ukuthi alose le final ngibona ngathi bekane chance after ucele alimala but overall Shane siyabanikeza abadlali beKaizer Chiefs bayideserve le win Shane ngifuna ukutshela manga 10 years yonke siyambona ucele uyafika uzo save iqembu leKaizer Chiefs ahlangane nabadlali abafana nabo aboSirino yamazi umdlalo nganayo leyo inhliziyo yokubekezela I thought mhlambe uzothola isecond yellow card yena noDuba uyabazi ukuthi badlala ngenhliziyo but ucoach wabona ukuthi ithi ngibasave bangafani nomdlalo ofana noCross njengoba sisho Shane enye into engifuna ukukutshela ukwenza right kweChiefs lapha ku defense ngibona bebafuna ukuattack ngoSolomon kuphela angaze ngibone uDove ajump center line mhlawumbe mangabe angisawadla ama carrots ngisho ngithi angibonanga kahle uDova ngimbonanga ajump center line why beba resta ngabadlala abawu3 baphusha umdlalo ofana nobani noSolomon ukuthi kube uye usebenzisa lesa space because i right winger bebanganayo ila khona sibona uSirino abuya zojoina it was a 4-2-3-1 but sometimes ibonakala njenge 4-4-2 whereby uDuba unomdlali ofana nobani noLilepo lapha phambili uSirino beka controller as a number 10 la khona mabangena phakathi bavula lesa space ukuthi akayenze lama box entries uSolomon uyangithola so mina ngiyacabanga ukuthi game plan yabo be right nabo Orlando Pirates bebangafuni uHoto bekahamba sometimes but abuye uHoto because uyazi ukuthi akumelanga akhuphuke too much kunomdlalo ofana noSolomon kulela side uzolisebenzisa but sibona ngapha ka right nang uFan Rooyen always ya invect ungena phakathi sometimes unikeza unkotha la uma run because I like uMbokazi the way yakufuna ukudlalisa abadlali bakhe ngakhona uyakhona ukudlala kuma empty spaces uMbokazi uyakwazi ukuthi ngetechnique ugood boy angifuni ukutshela manga Shane uya decision making yaka boy Nombatha today bonakala la uzamabhola siyamazi but today kunala khona ngimbone abonakala awasebenzisa amanye amabhola iproblem yakambatha ileyo Shane uMbatha it's a top player for mina but decision making uma abamba ibhola so Shane let's give credit to Kaizer Chiefs ngiyababongisa kakhulu abadlali be Kaizer Chiefs the technical team ye Kaizer Chiefs and coach Nabi ukuthi ayiqede le draft ye Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi sibone ngathi izoceda 10 years ukuya phambili ingana trophy
ubuyiphethe la banner yakho le ibhale 9 years no trophy
no angiphathanga Shane ngiphethele ukuthi iPirates eyiqalile ukuba ama debut ngaso sonke isikhathi njengoba siyibona iba debut ku league ngaso sonke isikhathi manje iba debut ye Nedbank asazi going forward next season kuzoyenzakalana njengoba ucoach Rivero simbona ahamba Shane so njengoba ngikubona Shane ujuluka ngalendlela chokona ama sign Shane angazi mhlawumbe ukuthi ingaba ikhona iMed Lemon oyiphuzile o kanjani but Shane uMart udilile ngawo namhlanje mngani wami
but you know what
yeah
here in South Africa Orlando Pirates they love ucoach Jose Rivero but uyayazi ukuthi ngabo bana abantu abangasoze bamlibala uJose Rivero
ngicela ungathinti iqembu leMamelodi Sundowns Shane angazi ukukhuluma ngobani
thank you so much it's Kaizer Chiefs 2 we finally Nedbank Cup Orlando Pirates won congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs they are the new champions of the Nedbank Cup thank you so much for watching Idiski TV.
For breaking news, go to itdiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Idiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafowethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Idiski TV.